morning, TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome to the family. It is a new year, new adventures, and I am so excited to be bringing you along for this next big adventure because we are going international. Finally, again, we are going back to Thailand, a place that you guys all know that I love. And yeah, today is Friday, but also Fly Day. And we started off pretty much how I assumed we would start off, which is we're not able to check in. Our China Airlines flight is telling us we can check in, but then we can't because we're flying WestJet out of Canada, and WestJet's telling us that we can't check in. So yeah, first order of business is to get to the airport, check in, and then yeah, start this adventure. Okay, so we have made it as far as Vancouver. Bit of a delay to our start, which is a little frustrating always when we have like a big flight ahead of us. So we were delayed leaving Edmonton because there was a couple who was not able to board. They didn't have the proper ID. So remember, do not let your ID expire. So we had to wait for all of their bags to come off of the airplane and everything, and then we were delayed again on the tarmac here, waiting for a gate to open up. We're here now. It's about 10:30, 11 p.m. and we board our next flight at 2 a.m. 10.5 hours to Taipei, and then Taipei onwards to Bangkok. So it's going to be a long journey for us. I'm going to try not to make it so long for you. I'm probably going to be sleeping most of the time, but I will keep you posted because we still have some questions about whether or not our baggage is going to arrive, and also some possibilities for other disruptions. So fingers crossed. But yeah, we're both just super excited to get back to Thailand and get you guys, adventuring with us again. So yeah, let's go. There's the mouse. Come on, little mouse. This is how we are preoccupying ourselves in the airport, is tracking this mouse. There's two. Oh God. Was that a mouse? Was that another mouse? That was many mices. Okay, so we have made it to Taiwan. 12-hour flight. I actually ended up sleeping like 8 hours of that flight, which was awesome. Pro tip is to take your sleeping pill like 30 to 45 minutes into the flight, or like just after they serve that first meal service, and then you're out. We had 3 seats together the whole time, which was really nice. So you kind of like spread out and enjoy. Now we just have a really quick layover here, which is kind of why we're thinking our bags may not make it. Fingers crossed for that, but we have a quick layover here, and then we are boarding our next flight to Bangkok and then onwards to our final destination. So whew, big travel day, but keep your fingers crossed for our luggage, and I'll make sure to fill you in kind of on everything when we get to where we're going. So yeah, let's just keep these travel vibes going. How are you feeling?
Good.
Good?
Feeling great.
Tired?
Tired.
Yeah.
But it is 6 in the morning, so.
True, yes. Yes, we did just hit 6 a.m., so we're tired, but rightly so. Okay, so we have 2 of our 3 bags have made it on the carousel. We are 1 short, so no. Derek's down there. And we got her. We got 1, 2, 3 bags. We're on our way.
Let's go.
Let's go. Follow the Zamboni to the exit. Okay, you guys, so we are here in Thailand. We made it not only to Bangkok, but we have made it onwards to our final destination here in Kanchanaburi. This spot is, I'm already in love, so excited to be back in Thailand. In my next video, I'm going to do a full tour of where we're staying, but for now, I just wanted to give you guys a few tips for baggage, talking baggage, because our baggage did end up arriving. We got all of our checked bags, thankfully. It was touch and go there for a moment, but I just want to share with you some tips for when you're traveling so that you can make sure that you don't end up getting your stuff lost, because there's nothing more frustrating than landing after a 24-hour travel experience to have no luggage. So my first tip really is just going to be in the whole flight booking process. Try to book yourself a long enough layover that your bags are going to make it from one plane to the next. That said, if you do find yourself a deal with a super short layover, which is usually what we end up doing, plan as if your bags may not arrive. And by that, I just mean pack a couple of extra things. I packed a couple of extra outfits in my personal bag or my carry-on, toothbrush, a couple little things like that, a little bit of extra money, all of those things, so that if my checked bag didn't make it, I'd be covered. Now, what we did notice on this flight was that our bags with China Airlines had these short connection baggage tags on them. This we'd never seen before, and so I'm assuming that's part of how they made it through our short layovers so quickly. The second thing that we did to pre-plan was to use AirTags or the Tile baggage tracking tags for Android. That let us know that our bags were in fact in the building, because your bags may not come out on the carousel, but did they make it to your destination? They're just not there, or are they in another city? Did they get left at home? So that's a great way for you to be able to tell. And then the third thing that I did was on our actual bags where you put your home information, your home address information, so that your bags can make it back to you there. I also put a sticky note on the back with the address of the place that we were staying in Thailand and when we would be where, so that if our bags didn't arrive and they did need to get them to us, they would have that information on those tags as to where we are. As well as I took a photo of all of our bags so that if I did have to go to the airplane, the customer service desk, airport customer service desk to get assistance with our baggage here in Thailand, I could just show them a picture of what the bags look like instead of trying to explain what they look like and deal with any sort of like language barrier issues. So all of that said, we did end up getting all 3 bags. One just got, lost direction for a moment, but happy to have everything here. And yeah, I'm gonna end this video here for today, but in the next video, like I said, I'm gonna give you guys a tour of our spot here at Cross River Kwai, where we are just floating around in our luxury cabins. So excited to share that with you. If you've not already hit that like and subscribe button, definitely do it. I post new travel content every single Sunday. And until I see you in the next one, stay great, travel safe, and I'll see you then.